I'm gonna show you guys how to replace the cabin filter of a Kia Carnival, or in some countries called Kia Sedona. And here's how to do it. First, you need to remove this one here, and to do that you need to pull it out like that and then push it down that way. So let's do it. It's a bit tricky though. Yeah, there you go. And then pull it. So once you move, we'll do the same on the other side. Pull it and then push all the way down. Right. Alright. Then what I do is remove this one here. There you go. Yeah. So let it slide there. And you'll not be needing any tool for this. What you do is just pull this all the way, like so. Yeah. And here's the filter, the cabin filter. And just push it out, and there's the old filter. So to return it, take note of the arrow. The arrow actually is the direction of the air. So the the fan is right over here, sucking in air from the cabin and going down to the air conditioning system. So to put it back, just do the reverse. Right. Yep, like so, and just slide it all the way back like that. And of course you're gonna do the reverse of what we did. So I'll return this like that, and then put back the two locks here, one on this side, right, like so, and then same on this side here. Oops, it's a bit tricky because I can see it. Alright, there you go.